Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start with the new topic, that is amines. What are amines? First of all, what are amines? Amines are the nitrogen containing compounds which having the fishy smell. Is called as amines. In another way, we can define the amines by taking the example of ammonia. This is the NH3 ammonia, nitrogen having the lone pair. How to define the amine in another way? If one or more hydrogen of ammonia, if it is replaced by the alkyl group, minus H is hydrogen, or more than one hydrogen, if it is replaced by the alkyl group, then the compound obtained is called as amines plus R. That is lone pair H R H. This hydrogen get replaced by this alkyl group. How can we define the amines? Alkyl derivative of ammonia. The alkyl derivative of ammonia is called as amines, in which one or more hydrogen atom is replaced by the alkyl group. Here we replace the one hydrogen by the alkyl group, then this amine is called as primary amine. Then this hydrogen can be replaced by the alkyl group, then the amine is obtained is called as secondary amine. If all the hydrogen is replaced by the alkyl group, then the amine is obtained is called as tertiary amine. How we can define the amine? Amines are that alkyl derivative of ammonia, in which one or more hydrogen atom of ammonia replaced by the one or more alkyl group is called as amines. Now, how the amines can be classified? Amines can be classified into the three types, depending upon the replacement of hydrogen by a alkyl group. Primary amine. This is a nitrogen, this is a H, this is a H, this is a R. If one of the hydrogen of ammonia, we take the example of ammonia. If one of the hydrogen of this ammonia, if it is replaced by the one alkyl group, then the amine is obtained called as primary amine. Then, if two of the hydrogen of the ammonia, if it is replaced by the two alkyl group, H N R R N, these two hydrogen get replaced by this two alkyl group, then the amine is obtained is called as secondary amine. This is a primary amine. This is a secondary amine. Then tertiary amine. If all the hydrogen of ammonia, if it is replaced by the all three alkyl group, then the amine is obtained as NR R R. If all the hydrogen, then it is replaced by if it is replaced by the three alkyl group, all hydrogen of, that is 3 hydrogen of ammonia, if it is replaced by the 3 alkyl group, then the amine is obtained as tertiary amine. In this way, the amine can be classified into primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Then, how these amines having the lone pair of electron, amines. Now we see the basicity of amines, how the basic nature is considered. Basicity of amine depends upon the lone pair present over a nitrogen atom. Nitrogen having a lone pair. This is the structure of primary amine. If the compound, we can say that the basic in nature. When we say that the compound is basic, if the compound having the lone pair over a nitrogen atom is 100% available, if the lone pair is 100% available over a nitrogen atom for a donation purpose, then we can say that the amines is basic in nature. Amines acts as a Lewis base. Because if it is donated the lone pair to the Lewis acid, then the lone pair donor compounds are called as generally Lewis base. If it donates the lone pair of electron to the any Lewis acid, to the H positive and Cl negative, it forms a such type of structure. N, if it donates the lone pair to the H positive, it forms a NH3 positive, NH3 positive R, alkyl ammonium, that is chloride. This is alkyl ammonium chloride. It forms a such type of structure. From this we can say that the amines are basic in nature because it reacts with the Lewis acid. It acts as a Lewis base. This is a Lewis acid base complex. Lewis acid base complex. In which the RNH2, lone pair over a nitrogen atom, donated to the H positive and forms a Lewis acid base complex. From this we can say that the amines are basic in nature, as they donate the lone pair to the Lewis acid, that is H positive, from the HCl. From this we can say that the amines is basic in nature. When we say that the amine is basic in nature, we say that when the lone pair of the electron present over a nitrogen atom is 100% available. When the lone pair present over a nitrogen atom is 100% available, then we can say that the amines are basic in nature. Now see the basicity of the amines, different amines. We consider the different examples of amines, that is primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. If the electron donating group or nitrogen atom, this is a NH, H. This is the ammonia, general structure of ammonia, having a lone pair over a nitrogen. If one of the hydrogen is replaced by a alkyl group or more, one alkyl group or more alkyl group, the effect of alkyl group over a basicity of amine, we consider the effect of alkyl group, that by it donates the electron by the plus inductive effect. When the alkyl group, electron donating group, attached to the nitrogen atom. It donates the electron to the nitrogen atom by the plus inductive effect, and it increases the availability of the lone pair. It increases the availability of the lone pair or for the donation to the Lewis acid. It increases the basicity of the amine. Alkyl. Always consider or always keep in mind any electron donating group which attached to the nitrogen atom, increases the basicity of the amine. But the alkyl group, if it is bulkier, then the basicity order it changes. Now see how the basicity order changes as the number of alkyl group increases over a nitrogen atom. This is a ammonia, this is a primary amine, this is a secondary amine, and this is a tertiary amine. NRR. We can take the example of primary amine, that is methylamine. This is dimethylamine. This is a trimethylamine. For example, now how the basicity order is considered for these all four compounds, that ammonia, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Over this nitrogen there is a lone pair. Now previously I said that the alkyl group or the any electron donating group increases the basicity by donating the electron by plus inductive effect to the nitrogen. Then the availability of the lone pair over the nitrogen is increases as the electron donating group donates the electron. Now we see the basicity order of comparative basicity order of the different amines, that is ammonia, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Now how the basicity trend is followed in a gaseous phase? I previously said that as the number of alkyl group over a nitrogen atom is more, then the basicity is lower. This is now we consider this tertiary by considering the plus inductive effect. This tertiary amine is more basic than secondary is more basic than primary is more basic than this ammonia. That basicity order, this is the basicity decreases from tertiary amine to ammonia. This is the actual trend. This is the expected trend. But actual trend is the different. How it is different? In case of tertiary amine, there are three alkyl methyl group which is a more bulkier. The lone pair present over a nitrogen, it cannot be easily donated to the Lewis acid because if it is in the lone pair present in the bulkier environment, it cannot be easily available for the donation to the Lewis acid. Therefore, the basicity of the tertiary amine is slightly less. The trends become, this is a expected trend, but actual trend, the trend changes, that it becomes like this. The tertiary CH3 and CH3 CH3H. Secondary amine is more basic than primary amine CH3 NH2. Primary amine is more basic than tertiary amine CH3. Then CH3. Tertiary amine is more basic than ammonia. In case of secondary amine, there are two alkyl group. Increases the basicity of this amine. Secondary amine is more basic than primary. Primary is more basic than tertiary. Tertiary is more basic than ammonia. How it is possible? The basicity of the tertiary amine is decreases due to the presence of more bulkier group, 3 bulkier group of. Therefore, the basicity becomes less, as the lone pair easily cannot be easily donated. But in case of secondary amine, it donates the electron. Though it is donated, all alkyl group are electron donating. It increases the electron density, electron donation power of nitrogen. But at the same time, they also create the steric hindrance around the lone pair of the nitrogen. Therefore, due to the steric hindrance, the basicity decreases. But in case of secondary amine, only 2 methyl group is present, which donate the electron by the plus inductive effect to the nitrogen and increases the basicity. In case of primary amine is more basic than tertiary amine. And tertiary amine is more basic than ammonia. It donates electron to nitrogen by plus ion, and over ammonia there are no any electron donating group. Therefore, the basicity is less. In this way, the basicity trend changes. This is the basicity of amine in the aliphatic. This is the basicity of aliphatic amine. Now, the basicity of aromatic amine. How the basicity of aromatic amine is considered? Consider the example of aniline. The lone pair present over NH2, which is in conjugation with this double bond present in the ring. And this lone pair is not 100% available for the donation to the Lewis acid, because the lone pair present over this nitrogen, it get delocalized with this ring and forms a different resonating structure like this. NH2 positive, negative, double bond. This negative charge delocalized with this double bond like this, and this double bond open as a negative charge over this carbon and forms a such type of structure. Double bond, negative charge. Then this negative charge delocalizes with this double bond and forms a negative charge. This double bond open as a negative charge and it forms a resonating. This negative charge delocalized with this and forms a simply amine. Amine. This negative charge restore forms a double bond. This double bond open as a negative charge. This positive and negative get neutralized and it forms a aniline. In this way, the lone pair is not 100% available over a nitrogen atom in case of aromatic amine. Therefore, the aromatic amines considered as a less basic than aliphatic amines. We consider the ammonia. When we consider the ammonia, the lone pair is not undergoes into the any delocalization. It is 100% available. 100% available. But in case of aromatic amine, the lone pair is not 100%. Lone pair is not 100% available. Therefore, ammonia and the all aliphatic amine are more basic than the aromatic amine. In case of aliphatic amine, the lone pair present over a nitrogen atom is 100% available. But in case of aromatic amine, the lone pair is not present 100% available over a nitrogen atom. It continuously undergoes into the delocalization with this benzene ring. Therefore, it is not available for the donation. Therefore, it acts as a weak Lewis base. This lone pair delocalizes over this ring like this, and it forms a such type of resonating structure. As the number of benzene ring attached to the nitrogen atom increases, the basicity decreases. We consider the basic trend. This is aniline. This is secondary amine, the lone pair, diphenylamine. This is the triphenylamine. This is the phenylamine, that is aniline. This is a diphenylamine. This is a triphenylamine. As the number of benzene attached to the nitrogen atom increases, the basicity goes on decreasing because the lone pair present over a nitrogen atom which is attached to benzene ring, it get delocalized with this single ring. But in case of secondary amine, the diphenylamine, the lone pair get delocalized over these two rings. But in case of tertiary amine, the lone pair get delocalized with this 3 benzene ring. Therefore, as its availability decreases, the basicity also decreases. We can say that the aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines. We consider the basicity. This aromatic amine, aniline is more basic than diphenylamine, diphenylamine is more basic than triphenylamine, and ammonia is more basic than aniline, because in case of ammonia the lone pair is 100% available. But from this aromatic amine, the availability of lone pair decreases as the number of benzene ring increases. As the number of benzene ring attached to the nitrogen atom increases. In this way, we can consider the basicity of the aromatic amine. As electron withdrawing group attached to the benzene ring or amine, aromatic amine also affect the basicity. We consider the example. In case of aromatic amine, the electron donating and electron withdrawing substituent also affect the basicity. In case of toluene, para-toluene, that is para-toluene, as the electron donating group present para to the this aniline, that CH3, it increases the electron density or increases the by it donates the electron to this aniline and increases the availability of the lone pair. But in case of there is no any electron donating group, therefore this para-toluene is more basic than this aniline, as aniline is more basic than this para-nitroaniline. Why? This NO2 group is acting as an electron withdrawing group present at the para position. This lone pair present over nitrogen, it get delocalized with this ring. Another, it can also delocalize with this NO2. Therefore, the availability of the lone pair get decreases as the space for the delocalization is increases. Therefore, in this way, the electron withdrawing and donating group affect the basicity. Thank you. Now we have completed the basicity, classification of amine, basicity of aliphatic and aromatic amines. Thank you.